It's season 5 of the Nature Journal show. Hey, this is the video where I compile some of the funniest, best, and most entertaining clips from season 5 of the Nature Journal show. This is the highest I've ever been while doing watercolor. Well, I mean in the sense of Step number 4, reward yourself with pastries before you even do any nature journaling. Blueberry muffin. And everything was more beautiful and meaningful with nature journaling. First thing I found here under this tree is this pile of dirty toilet paper. Sorry for the crotch shot. It's my crotch, but it's also the crotch of the tree. And earlier that day, this is the house that I was gonna live in forever. With me during season 5, then you know that one of the biggest projects that I did for nature journaling, filming, and for tree climbing was 10 days, 10 trees, where I climbed a tree every day for 10 days and filmed myself nature journaling in the canopy. Oh man, I'm in a super awkward position here and I can't really figure out what's the best way to hang my stuff on me and make sure I don't drop my whole nature journal setup. So that's part of the reason why I'm doing 10 days, 10 trees is to practice these techniques before some big trips that I'm going to be going on. First in Costa Rica in 2 weeks, and then I'm also going to be going to Ecuador and Brazil and trying to climb up into trees and practice nature journaling up there alongside biodiversity researchers and conservationists. Sometimes when you get up in a tree, it just suddenly feels super relaxing. You have this unique view, and maybe there's a primal aspect because we had arboreal ancestors, but sometimes when you get up in the tree, you just suddenly want to relax and you're kind of content not doing anything. And I'm getting that feeling right now, but I don't have that much time for today's episode. This is the urban climb that I'm feeling the most nervous about doing right now. It only smells slightly of rain down here. It's good enough for now, and I think considering the challenging location and situation. Just finished this sketch here in the tree. I switched to my Right in the Rain waterproof paper. So this is the setup that I use when it's this wet. Otherwise I'd be up here doing watercolor, but this is an amazing endemic oak tree. So a tropical oak tree, super cool. Look at how much life it supports, all of these different epiphytes. Did a sketch showing a few of them. 10 Days, 10 Trees ended with a very personal video that was actually quite hard to make. I think my drawings got a lot better during season 5, especially my tree drawings. Tip number 6, write questions. Tip number 7, write your metadata. Tip number 8, observe some more. Tip number 9, don't look at social media. Tip number 10, don't go shopping for art supplies. Tip number 11, don't make a perfect plan. Tip number 12, don't eat snacks before you start. And tip number 13, make yourself some time. So I just want to show you that this Write in the Rain sketchbook, the paper is water resistant. It is not 100% waterproof. So after a while, if things are really wet, the binding, for example, starts to have issues, but you can see that it's possible to get a lot done with just a very soft pencil, soft graphite pencil, and this into your eyes, and it can be very tiring. Toned paper will reflect less light back into your eyes, and it will make a difference in bright conditions. Yay! One great strategy is to immediately sit down and order some food. Choose a spot with a good view, and you can sketch your food while you eat, but it also provides you a more discreet way to watch the market and do some sketching while blending in a little bit more than if you're just standing and drawing in the middle of the market. One of my favorite videos, and also I think a very impactful project, was nature journaling in a market in the Amazon. Here you can see a lot of the products. I nature journaled with some of the local vendors, and I also did a video for the Nature Journal show. I also, while I was down there, was doing several Nature Journal teacher trainings, and we did a workshop for the kids whose parents work in the market. These kids often spend much of the day just staring at phones. They're unattended because their parents and grandparents are busy, and this project helped introduce nature journaling and sketching as a fun activity for them to do. It's also, I think, a revolutionary way to create value for some of these traditional products that are starting to be displaced by international products. As you probably know, I'm trying to do more than just create content about nature journaling. I'm trying to create change and make this world a better place through nature journaling. Don't forget to check out the full episodes from these clips in my playlist of season 5. Patreon members got to see this video early, and they helped support the production of the entire season 5. You can learn more about being a Patreon at patreon.com/MarleyPiper. Bye.